To make a chinchilla tunnel, I drill out 2 holes out of a coffee can, and then after I drill the holes, I take a Dremel and I file down around those holes to make sure it's flush and there's nothing cutting outward and there's nothing sharp. And then I make a fleece sleeve, either 2 colors or 1 color, and then it will be done in such a way that there is an inside and then an outside. This is just a quick over the can. This isn't finished. This is one that needs to add the holes to it. I'll add a example over this video of what it looks like when it's tight, because normally the can will be super tight. And on the fleece, where once you put it over the can, you'll mark 2 dots lines where your holes are at, so that you'll know where you put your grommets. So you put your grommets in and then hammer them in to where the holes will be, and that's where you put your bolts and your washers and then connect it to the cage. That's just simply how I made my fleece tunnels for chinchillas. Now you can use a protectant over the can and let it sit for about a month or so to let it air out once you put a protective over it to save the can longer. Or you don't have to, because if you drink a lot of coffee like I do, you could just use a new can when you need to and just drill new holes and make sure they match up with the fleece liner.